the window in the mine manager's cabin has a broken pane, and around here we end up just cutting glass to put in its place. Fortunately, my father showed me how to cut glass a long time ago. Let's see if I remember. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. It's a little feeble right there, but not too bad. Then, we're fortunate to actually have a glass cutting table here at the village. We'll see how well this works. Beautiful. Okay, double check my measurements. Yes. Yes. We're good to go.